Sativo Saturday. If you want something new, easy to make at home, and love margaritas, well, we have a delightful spin for you. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Brendon, and I will be doing our signature cocktail, the Sativo Smash. Start out with your mint, get a bit of good smack. I'm muddling 3 lemon wedges, which is equivalent to 3/4 lemon juice. 3/4 of your agave, and 1 3/4 of your beautiful El Sativo. Add your ice. Shake it up. We're gonna use a strainer. Add 3 ice cubes and some gem ice to finish it off. Garnish with a lemon and some mint sprig.